Alright, welcome. This video, I will teach you how to make a damage door. The damage that when you close, you can damage, but you can definitely use this on different doors that open and closing doors, right? On trigger, of course. Uh, for now, we're gonna use the what door should we use? We could use a wall. That's the same as door, right? A door, a wall, or um a floor like this. You can use that one as well. But for us, maybe we can just use this one. This one. Maybe this one. We import this one then. Okay. Um, right click. Oh, browse to asset, and then migrate. Make sure you are in your folder. Selected everything. Make sure you are in your project. Apply to all. We can use the one on the floor, but I was thinking that this one is better because it's already have some pillar right there and it's matched with the walls. So you can they can distinguish what door is it. Maybe you can use the different doors so they will not the player will notice that um they're approaching a door, right? But if you are like making a puzzle game, uh, this one is better because you don't need to. Uh, it's like a secret, right? Unless they see mm, the one. Okay, I mean the door. In this case, we're gonna use we're gonna make a different kind of approach, making a button as well, custom buttons. I wonder why it's taking so long. We can just open our Blender. I just want to show you how can you easily make an object and import it to our project. In this case, we're making can use that one too. Uh, yeah, every one of them are deleting this one. S, then X, S, then Y. Maybe put your mouse here. S and Y. It's S and Z. Make it a box. S and Y. S and X. Make it slimmer like this. More maybe. Want it make small one, right? Then 50 and X. If you wanna really, real, I think this one will do. GX with this like that. Okay. What you can do is Control J You don't animate them. If you want to animate them, it's up to you. But for me, I'm just making it like simple button like this. Okay. Then export them, of course. Export. Probably at yeah, I think FBX. Okay. Go to your project. Maybe I hope you can see our project here. Where did we put our project? Epic Games, UEFN, custom props, content, and then create a new folder, assets, right? And then what? Custom button. Custom button. Okay. If you want to, you can save your Blender as well. Why it didn't go back to my Epic Games, plugins, custom props, content, assets, custom button. You can do this as well. Okay. Then close everything because I mean the materials we're gonna use is from our thing, right? We do have assets here, but let's see. We can just drag and drop. Hold on, why are you open? Epic Games, some props, plugins, content, assets, and your FBX you can drag and drop right. Then it's not the skeletal mesh, missing collision. Maybe generate missing collision if you want to, but it's up to you. Um, yeah, combine meshes because we're not animating the button part. Import translation, convert to scene, all asset, import materials, create new, do not create because we're not importing it. Okay, so we have it here. What you can do, um, for material slot, you can make one if you want to. Full grid material. What you can do is right click here. Uh, hmm, no. What you can do is match it desert. Okay. That's it. We don't need to give ourselves a problem with materials. But you can definitely make your own material if you want to. Save that, close. So we have our button right there. And I believe that we already um, imported our mesh. We hit? Okay. So right now, we're gonna have this one. Hopefully it didn't delete my thing. Modeling, and then we're gonna split this into two because we need the wall part. What's the splitting one? Split. Okay. Split this into two uh, from input, right? I hope that it's not gonna delete our thing. So where did it save? Yes, right here, right? Okay, so we can just this browse to asset probably. Yeah, it's this and then browse to asset. Just making sure that this one is the one that you created. Okay, nothing else there. It deleted the one that we add modules here, but you can have it for next time. Okay. Then what we're gonna do here is doubling this one on the other side. Uh, I don't know how can you align them as perfect as this one. You can just eyeball them, right? Or maybe what you can do is do like this. Uh, Still look at this. The pivot of this guy inherit the whole thing. I mean the pivot when it's merged together, right? So you need to change the pivot of this. Also like this. So what you can do here is negative 90 probably. Negative 180 like that. So it will inherit the same option for this one. So when you can do this, or maybe copy paste this one and then paste it like this, right? But it's not happening because I don't know, it's so small. Yeah, they have the same in the middle that it's not working. What you could do is same as that, then you can mirror them if they have mirror duplicate and then from input delete and no keep input probably. Oh no, cancel that one. This mirror, uh, right, left, forward, down, forward. And oh no, cancel this guy. Maybe we can mirror this one instead, right? Forward. Yeah, it's just the same thing. It's, it's still using that one. What we can do here, yeah, cancel everything. I think this one would be our solution. I'm just being OCD, right? So yeah, when we do like that, doesn't do just extending the thing here. But maybe if you change the pivot of this one into the whole thing middle, maybe you can. Let's try it. Okay, I wanna try it. So I duplicate that so I don't mess up with that thing. Then I will change the pivot, edit pivot, then center, bottom. What? That's the center. Wow. Bottom, center, bottom, center first, and bottom. Could be around like here, right? A little bit right here. But anyway, that's the same thing. Use word box. Let's try this. No. Cancel that thing. Anyway, um, like I said, you can just duplicate this, guys. Because if I change the pivot, everything will change. We need to duplicate them. Let's go back to our mesh. Let's duplicate this guy. Uh, Edit pivot, center, bottom. Does it change? I don't think so. Um, watch out. Let's need to center. Yeah, it move a little bit. Bottom, right? So then when we copy, it's right. think props, modules, this one. Try to middle one, this one. Center, and then bottom. No, right? That's why we need to cancel this. Trying an error with this, right? We can change the static mesh of this one, the one that we duplicate. Why? Why it moves? See how it moves, right? We can't do that. Or maybe I changed this already. Yeah, I changed this already. So we delete them. Then copy paste this one. We need to change this one into that one. Save this first. So make sure this is the duplicate, not this one, right? Okay. And then edit pivot, center, bottom, and then accept. Okay. Make sure this didn't change. So uh, when you duplicate this and rotate it with nev 180, and then get the translation of this one location, and then like that. You see? But no, no, no. Needs a little bit, it's not, still not as we expected, because it should be half, right? Anyway, just scratch everything. We just wasted time. You can just eyeball this guy like this. 180. Eyeball this guy. So if we're 300 right here, you can just copy it, but negative, maybe positive. No, but this is not really matched. So we'll try to make it in the middle like this, right? Okay. So this one will be our up and downs. Okay. I'm gonna change the pivot of this in the middle, center, bottom. And this one will be edit pivot, center, bottom. We they need to be okay. So go back to selection. What we're gonna do here is make this one as a damage prop. So since that one is okay, since this one is just a static mesh, what you can do is damage. Then our static mesh, that's that one, asset, no, not that one, this one. Then match the size. Okay, what is the size? Zone width, maybe 1, that's correct. The depth, 0.5, 0.3, 0.2. That will be good. Okay, height, 0.5. we want the whole thing damaged, but most likely, it only damage down here on your head, right? Not so even if you just put two, it's okay. Then maybe we look at one because you don't want to be damaged like when you are, colliding on this part, right? Also for the width. But this one definitely gets the this one, the pose. But for safety, you can make it like point 0.9, right? So you only damaging your head right here. Okay. Hopefully it damage your ass. And of course, it's not damage, it's elimination. Because, in real life, when you get squished by this one, you die, right? Affect shields, of course, its own shape. Yeah. You want to do damage for guards, vehicles, and creatures, you can do that too. That's pretty much it for us. Okay. And then, right now, we're going to make another versify. Okay. Prop damage door. Okay. You can say it's a damage door. Maybe we can make just a door. But it's just the same thing. You'll get the idea later. Okay, so when you have it, do we have the door here? Damage door. Yes. Um, of course, I don't want to come back here anyway. So we need to find a device bottom. So I want to show you how can we use out custom buttons, right? So you can copy this one, translation, paste it right there. But then delete this one. Gonna use that. Then press N. Oh, it's not gonna happen. It'll be 0. Yes, perfect. And then our custom button match like this. You can click that one, but you can definitely choose right here, custom mesh. And then choose your custom button like that. Perfect, right? Just put it right here, down right here. That's how you can easily make object on Blender and then drop it right here. You know how to import, right? Okay, so this one will be hidden later on, but we're putting it right here behind beside, so we know that that custom verse code or device is for this function, like the other traps right here. Okay, this one for this one, and that one, those, this one, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do here is try to open the door and then uh, count the timer. And for example, for 5 seconds, it will squash you down. Okay, so it's a trap as well, custom trap, but a door, right? So you need to have a quick thinking to go forward before you get squished. Okay. Next time. Oh, what? I'm doing that. That's my Photoshop. Okay, so props. Uh, anyway, uh, props, door damage, and then put it right there. So we don't need that. For here, don't forget to out said. Okay, out said. Open it again while having this. Okay. Okay, we need to make a prop prop door plus. We're gonna have some multiple things here. Plus concrete. Okay. Okay. What is this wrong? Usable. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Water door damage volume device equals to damage volume divided by repeatable. Um, hmm, why we are using? I wonder if why we're gonna use two buttons. We only need one. I was thinking if open button. We want close, then add close button here. Button device. Button device. Alright. And if you want to have some sound effects like tick or maybe we have a tick. Okay, let's try it. Readable. I really wish. Let's check. Let me find a way. UFN uh verse without device. I think we can. Maybe AI can do this. Sound cues. Um, how to import materials. Sound cues. Why this one is Chinese? Oh yeah, we need to have something like switch and a, a sound audio player device. Yeah, this kind of, you know, is still, you need the BGM player. Anyway, um, editable. It's so bright. I'm gonna close this. Editable. No, 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 no. Not close button because if you want to close it, but in this tutorial, that's the same thing. It's like, moving it back to its position, like closing. But for this case, I'm gonna automatically close it because we wanted like a door, a trap door, not that one. A different like uh SE player tick, right? Editable SE player underscore open, right? And then editable location X, same as or is it not the rotator, the swinger probably? No, the mover of the trap. Here, we can just copy paste all of this to save our time. Okay, then editable um delay before open float equals to 0, 0. You can do that. editable delay before float. Float 00. Editable. This is the speed. Time speed open. How fast it will close. It will open. Time speed close. Right? Maybe in this case 0.3 because I want it like super fast that this look like you're you're gonna get squished. um Spraw is still moving, logic false, right? Then our handler button open, glass, and then our device raptor. What? I think this is the wait, this is the raptor glass raptor. The device should be the one for later. Raptor class, raptor class. No, I got confused again. It should be this one, but I think that's Copilot that making it. You know, prop button handler, agent, void, device, prop open event, with your agent and selected prop class. Okay, that'd be nice of you. Readable prop class that array. I think it's been made for us. This is good, right? Make you lazy. Then what we're going to do is enable and disable these doors. But to save time, we're not gonna do that. Only prop class. And then run it on begin, like we did here. Where are you? On begin, pick up right here, right? Like that. It's kind of waste of resources when we add another. We're trying to save memories here, right? That's why you're writing a verse and it's easy to work with, right? And if you are coder guy, anyway, they made verse for easily you can easily understand it, not other any language. But if you're a programmer before, sometimes you confused. Right? It's not like you know other copy paste is other languages. So we are preparing the prop, which is the same as that. Here we go, copy pasting codes, right? Makes us prepare prop pickup class. We don't use that because we have our own class here, prop door class, okay? And then prop instance, um, instance. First, we prepare a class, prop class, then prop instance here in your setup. No, prepare props, right? Then for button one, prop instance, button pickup. Check your button here. It's not off button pickup, it's open button interacted with event, and then subscribe handler button open. Copy paste that one, and then the button open event proper. No, the handler. Okay, copy paste that one there. And then what else? We need to make the open button event, which is this one, right? But then agent and purpose, then close that one and void. Wow, this is perfect, right? Open button handler, handler button open, handler button open, prop button handler. And then we're making this one button open event. Button open event sending the prop class, which is the prop door class should be. Hey, should be the class. You're missing one. Okay, and then after that, we are spawning the door open function and sending them. Okay. Anyway, he made that one for me. I'm not the Look at this guy. Now coding for me. Should I stop it? Let's just try and check. This is cool, right? Pass. Oh no. Cool. Just to leave us like without error. Okay, so what we're gonna do here? We opening the door and looking suspense void prop instance is still moving. Oopsie, what's that? I heard something. Wait, I think my game just reset. Anyway, my game just reset. That's why I heard something bad, like broken something. Okay, so if prop is still moving, which is true, or that's cool. If else, right? And then if it's not moving, we're gonna set the prop still moving through. Then we are playing. What's this? We are playing the tick, like tick, 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 tick. Then that's the indicator that um it will close soon, right? That's why maybe indicate for closing. Okay, for closing. Okay, and then what we're gonna do here? What we're not gonna enable the damage. It's already enabled for us. Um, we did set this one, but first we need to declare all these things down right. Where is it? Prop, prop, new location, right? Declare it first there. Still moving, false, we're not gonna get it if it's still moving. Um, Pop drops, not bad. We have our own prop door. Prop door. Then this one is spatial mount. I think we forget that one. Going up there. Include that one. Then it will fix this issue. Then we have location. Then instead of using wait, we're not gonna use that. I don't know why. Sleep. Maybe we need Copilot to fix that for this record. Okay. So when it's this one, we're gonna set it after. You can set it right away if you want. Here. Then sleep delay. delay before open, uh, and then prop door move to that we don't need to use this. Late instead of sleep. No, we're not gonna use this. The speed. No, we're not gonna use this. You put a lot of things here. This one. Tick play again. No, we're not gonna use that. It's making its own move. Lastly, setting it to false. Right? And forget the set like I did earlier. Then instead of uh, so delay and then we going back. So for open, you're opening um sleep before open. So sleep before open, you play the open sound. Um, you know that one. It's open, right? So open and then prop instance prop. Do we have a prop door or door prop? Open door. What are prop? Prop door. Right? Prop door that move to. Because you are animating, you're not using that one set translate, or else it will teleport. Oh. A new location and then um prop rotation, then prop time open speed, right? That's cool. That's cool. So then delay before close, you're gonna of course you're gonna play the tick before delay delaying it. So it will play until it's close, right? It's still playing until close or until the sound effect done. But depends how long you want it to. But if you have a longer tick sound, you need to close stop playing from here, right? Because it's done. It will close right away. Okay? After sleeping. So let's say it's playing, then sleep, still playing, and then close that. Okay? We don't need this one here. So we already or maybe uh open close. Maybe we need to add a SE close. Of course, is that a shoes found close? Okay. Uh then when you stop play open. Where's the open one? Open then tick stop and then close. Right? Close. Okay. After playing the close and then okay, so going back here. Copy paste this, you are moving back to its original location, prop location, then same as everything. And if you need to have a different time, close here, put it right here. Um, yeah, like that. And then set the prop is still moving to false, right? But I suggest this one is better for me because I don't want use much if else statement. So what I'm doing here, if it's true, then return it right away. But if it's false, do everything below, right? But this one is dangerous because you might put indentation here and then, but anyway, it's returned. It's not gonna run anything. beyond that thing. Okay, so um, a, a quick recap. Hmm. When it's moving, return. When it's not moving, you set moving is true, then get everything you need. Then this is the default one. We're gonna use that one later on, and then set the new location based on your transform, right? And then put sleep before open. If you don't want to, just make it 0, like open right away, and it's just the timing, you know. Play the sound open, play the door, move the door up, and then play the tick sound. You can put it right here, so while it's going up, it's like ticking right away. Or else, then uh, after that, delay, and then while it's playing, and then stop the tick sound and close play. Maybe you can just do like this, make it like that. Okay, just you know that this one is together. All right. We can just try it. Uh, First, you need to go back to your editor, which is this guy, and add more things. Audio devices, right? Audio player. So two of this, maybe three, if you have the tick, right? So first you have the tick, move it right here, because you might bother the buttons right there. Okay. Tick. Do they have tick? I'm gonna turn on my sound so you can hear tick. I wonder how can you loop this tick? How can you loop? Wait. Um, we can find it. Wait. Um, you can let's see if that's cool. That's cool. The tick. I think that's the one that we need. Yeah, we're gonna use this one. And what we do here? Maybe restart audio when active. If set, we'll start any playing audio when activate. If not set, will be ignore if the audio already play. Play on hit, play location, device, play speed. I wish there's a loop here. Enable attenuation. You can do that. So when you are farther, the tick will go. So when the tick, if you are using attenuation, you can do you can do this. So you can hear because when it's up, the door it's up, you can hear the sound sticking above you, right? You can do that. Maybe in the middle, right? Sync player, autoplay, autoplay. How can we loop? I wish there's a loop here. Uh, no loop. I don't know why they didn't put option for looping. Maybe we can check our first language if we do have, let's see, play. Go play, stop, register, and then so hard. What? Just like that? No, there's nothing. Anyway, what we can do, maybe, let's try it first. But if we hear like just one tick, maybe we're gonna make a loop, right? We can call something like a function that will continuous play loop, and then after that, when it stop, we break it, right? Yo yo yo. Okay. But first, we're gonna try this one first. Go back to your editor, and then what you're gonna do here is so maybe they have open, maybe open. Yeah, yeah. Wait, I think I have some. I don't. I wait. Yes. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. There no house whoosh. Anyway, if you have sound effect whoosh, then use it. Maybe I'll just use this one first, then close. Destroy. What? Collapse. Collapse. Just use this one. Blank, wood blank. Where even if it's we have stones right there. Okay. Moving on. We don't have sound effect. I wish I could import all my sound effect here. Build burst code, save everything. Then after that, create your class. For now, we have only one door. So we're gonna make a door. For prop door, what you need to click this one because the attenuation circle is blocking the door. So I'm clicking the door here. Open button. Are you button? Okay, the tick one should be the audio tick, open, and then close audio. Okay, so we're going to put it up. Currently, we have 0Z, and then what you want to you open it is about here, right? So maybe 490, that should be enough, right? Then make it 0. Then it's on set value, make this one, and then 490. Okay, delay before open, maybe no. Before close, 3 seconds, maybe 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. And then time speed open 1.2, 0.3. I think that will be default. But if you want to make it slower or something like it, depends on you. All right. So what we get? Let's try it first, and then let's see what will happen. Okay. Let's push the changes. I hope we didn't forget something else. Okay. If the tick sound is just one sound, let's see. So um yeah. While we are waiting for um the game loading, what we can do here, let's try something else. Because I think we can make a sound cue, like tick sound, and then open this one. Uh, yeah, yeah. Here's our just put it like that. Then use this tick sound, and then find the tick sound, right? Then what you can do is drag and drop right here, and you can use it because it's a queue already. What you can do is open it. You can. What? Maybe timer tick queue. Mm-hmm. Wave player. Loop. How can we add its tick sound? Oh no no. Oh, this is a static mesh. I wish I can edit the wave sound of that one. They didn't provide it here. How can we get? Oh, there's no. I think we need to make a looper for this, but it's not recommended. But if you have a tick sound, you can do that. You can make for example, this one, then loop, find loop, looping, and then put it in your output, and then your wave sound, right? Web player, maybe they have tick sound. No. So this one. So wave player, and then it's looping. You can do this as well, and directly there. Don't need to use looping. This one, you can check it as well. Okay, like if you want a looping sound, then just stop the playing on your code. Right? I hope that our game is done. Yeah, our game is done. So what we're gonna do here is try this one. Then open it, interact. Whoa! It didn't loop the sound. No tick at all. So after what? Didn't heal me. So maybe you can just adjust the damage. So opening the door and then when I wait here, you need to die and yeah, you're gonna die because you get squished by the door. Okay. So the player, which the open and close, it's working, but the tick sound is playing single. We didn't even hear it, right? So what we're gonna do here, uh, function like sound looper, and then we are sending the SE sound effect, sound effect, sound effects, SFX, right? And then audio, uh, audio player, something, audio player device, and then that's it. Um, void equals, then loop, then SFX play. Why I'm stopping it? I think I don't need to stop. Maybe just play. I hope that this one doesn't, super not doing and maybe we need suspend because oh suspense because it has loop like that. Oh man, and you need to back up like that. Sleep. Why you need F? No, load right. Oh, for sleep you need maybe just like this. Also, you need suspend. I think. Oh, okay. So, um, logic, false, um, play, what, wait, what I'm doing? Logic, if playing if false break, right? We're breaking the loop. I hope we don't need stop or else it will overlap. Maybe, yeah, we do that. Since I suspect that this one will be in 1 second, right? Will be overlap each other. So it depends on how long your pick is, but I believe it's just 1 second. So we do that, right? Okay, so maybe stop and break. Okay? Make sure it's stop. So sound looper, We play the tick here. What's your player? Then it's playing through. Copy paste this one, and our uh, close takes down force. Go to your project, build your burst code, then wait for your game to load again. That will be quick. Okay, so let's try. Perfect. It's ticking, right? And what happened? Why didn't it came back? Because I think it's waiting. Oh man. Ah, I know now. Because you suspend the loop. Ah. So what you wanna do when you are playing delay before close, you don't need that. What we can do here, wait. Let's think about this for a second. So when you play it, it will stuck here forever. So what you're gonna do here, it will loop until 5 seconds. Right? I wish we can use this. Can we use this? So if this one is sleeping per second, and then we can make a uh, int, okay, delta or delta equals 0, right? Then delta plus, or maybe plus equals to 1. Can you do that? I think this one. Why we can? Maybe counter. Because maybe delta is being used already. That's why. Don't use common variables. Still? Because we need to set, dude. Can you do this? Yeah, you can. Okay, so we're setting it +1. And then from here, it's playing. We're not gonna use this anymore. Uh, just remove it. Display. Okay. And then if we take the sound looper, I wish I can put this on other threads and then call it later on. Ah, my brain is melting. Okay. Maybe we can use other than suspense. No, we don't need a way. They don't have delay. Okay, so we continue on that function. So sound looper, when this one called, it will take, but I rather call the whole thing prop instance, and we're gonna change this to prop instance. What's our proper class? Uh, Prop instance. Then what we're gonna do here, prop means that SE sound effects, what is player tick that playing, it will play forever. So it will play and play until count is equals to not that means that what's the delay before close, right? Delay. Okay, so if it's equals to 5 seconds, and then the sound effect will stop playing, like here. Where are you guys? Stop playing, stop playing, and then uh, do like SC close play as well, and then after close that one, we're gonna move the door down, then we're gonna set it to false, right? But the problem here, we don't have this proper properties. We need to send it. Hmm. Application. Good. So, what is type? And we need to send all of this to our function. But I wonder what is their move to, what is position, vector 3 rotation. Okay, I got it now. So position, comma, position, dot transform, comma, rotation, rotation. Not prompt transform, which is we need the prompt location, right? Position vector 3. See, you are vector 3, then you No, no, no. I'm doing it wrong again. It's like TypeScript. Okay, so we're here. We need to send all those three, location and rotation. Prop instance, prop location, prop rotation. Okay. Alright. We need to send other one again, which is the new location. Don't forget about that. Because this one gonna be removed. Let's remove it. I just confused later on. For close, are we using before close? So we're moving for close. For close, yeah, that's it. We're using it. Okay, so we're sending the new location and then just copy paste this, paste it like that, but new location, new location. Okay, so you're moving it to a new location. Oh, wait, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. Because we already. I'm sorry. Because I just confused earlier. Okay, so we already move it up. So when it moved up, we don't need the new location. We don't need it. We only need the original location, which is this one, prop location, because it goes down when it's the timer, and then goes down and break everything else, right? All right. So this one, I think this should do. Let's see. I wish I can make a callback as well. Fix that issues. Okay. Burst build session updating. I think it's pushed already. That's how fast burst coding, right? Okay, so when we push out, it take forever. Take until 5 seconds. Why it's not doing 5 seconds? If that's so, we can make a print something here. And why it's not doing it? Can I move this Photoshop right here? Always click it. So the problem is we're not count because when we call this, we're looping here. Tick in 1 second, set count plus one. Maybe this one not working. We can print. I print like this. Where's our print? How can you print? I'm sorry. It should be like big letter B. But I think print provider arguments. Wait, what? Why count? My count is int. Or maybe that int is wrong. I think my int is wrong. Not the proper way of calling int. I think it should be. I think we don't have it. Yeah, correct calling in for account. You know what? Let's try this AI fix. The- Oh yeah, you need to string. But there's another issues. Maybe you don't have to string. Or maybe what you could do, uh, just want to see the example here when you create. Because this one is creating 2 plus 2. This is int. You see this? 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2. Oh, I think I need to make that as a close you useless. Oh man, like this and then no. Why are you making this? Maybe like that. Maybe we can just put current count space. All right. Oh, this one is float. Maybe that's why. That's why never be equal. Okay. That's why never be equal. This their float. But I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Plus plus. One error. Then compile your source code. Session updated. Make for us to connect there. Run to your thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I think the thing that the conversion on float and in. That's our problem. So everything is fine right now. Yeah, perfect. So I think we yeah, done everything else. If you have some additional question or would like me to teach you something, just comment down below and I will teach you that one. I think we covered everything. Yeah, that will be it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.